Liv Pure Review 2024. Does it really work for weight loss? My honest results, must-see alert. Hey everyone, if you've been searching for a natural supplement to support your liver health and help with weight loss, you've probably come across Liv Pure. So today I'm going to give you an honest and in-depth review of this product. I'll cover everything you need to know, what it does, how it works, and most importantly, does it really work for weight loss? Before we dive in though, there's a must-see alert you don't want to miss, so make sure to stick around until the end. So what exactly is Liv Pure? It's marketed as a liver detox and weight loss supplement, but here's the twist. It's not just focused on helping you shed pounds. Liv Pure works by supporting your liver health, and when your liver is functioning properly, your metabolism kicks into high gear. This supplement combines powerful, natural ingredients that help detoxify your liver, improve fat burning, and eliminate toxins from your body. If you're dealing with stubborn belly fat, sluggish metabolism, or bloating, Liv Pure may be a solution worth considering. Now let's break down how Liv Pure actually works and why it stands out from other weight loss supplements. The formula contains a blend of natural ingredients that specifically target liver health while boosting fat burning. Here are the key ingredients. Silymarin from milk thistle. This is a powerful liver detoxifier that helps cleanse your liver, protecting it from damage and promoting healthy metabolism. Berberine, known for its ability to regulate blood sugar and fat storage. If you've struggled with stubborn belly fat, berberine may be just what you need to help regulate and reduce fat. Resveratrol, a potent antioxidant that speeds up metabolism, helping you burn fat more efficiently. It also has anti-aging properties, making it a great addition to your wellness routine. Choline. This nutrient aids in the breakdown of fat and supports liver function, helping your body process and eliminate fats more effectively. Together, these ingredients work synergistically to detoxify your liver, accelerate fat burning, and promote weight loss over time. Now, let me share my personal experience with Liv Pure. I started using this supplement around X weeks, so months ago, and here's what I've noticed so far. First, my digestion has significantly improved. I no longer feel as bloated after meals, which is a huge plus for me. I feel lighter and more energized throughout the day, which I attribute to the liver detoxification process that Liv Pure supports. As for weight loss, it's important to note that results aren't instant. However, after a few weeks of consistent use, I noticed a visible reduction in belly fat and a more toned, slimmer appearance overall. I also feel more focused and energized, which has helped me stay committed to my diet and workout routine. Let me remind you, Liv Pure isn't a quick fix solution. For the best results, consistency is key, and combining it with a healthy diet and regular exercise will help accelerate your progress. So after using Liv Pure for several weeks, here's my verdict. Does it really work? In my experience, yes, it does. I saw improvements in my energy levels, digestion, and even in the reduction of stubborn fat around my midsection. The best part is that Liv Pure doesn't rely on harmful chemicals or stimulants. It's made with natural ingredients, so you can feel good about what you're putting into your body. However, it's important to remember that weight loss is a gradual process, and Liv Pure works best as a part of a balanced lifestyle. While it has certainly made a positive difference for me, it's not a magic pill. You need to stay committed and be patient for the best results. And now, as promised, here's that must-see alert. If you're thinking about trying Liv Pure, make sure to use the link in the description below. This way you'll get the best possible price, plus you'll be supporting the channel so I can continue sharing honest reviews like this one. If you've been struggling with stubborn fat or want to improve your liver health, I definitely recommend giving Liv Pure a try. It has helped me, and I believe it can help you too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. I'll see you in the next video.